RaquanBeats, the producer, songwriter, and entrepreneur.
What's good, guys? It's your boy RaquanBeats. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make origami hearts. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make these. You can make them for your friends, your family, your loved ones, your mom, whoever you want. So let's get started. See, because you have this folded piece right here, it has flaps right here. You're just gonna take this and put it in the flap. See? And then you're gonna do that to the other side. You're gonna put it in there. So now it looks like that. And then you're gonna take the corners and you're gonna kind of counter corner them like this. To that side. Take this side, cut a corner it, and then you just fold it in the flaps as well. Do the same thing with this side, fold it in the flaps, and now you have your heart.